This ain't a street? Wait, where's the street then? Up here?
No, come on, don't do it. Alex?
That's what the handles are for, mother.
Okay, well, there's no handles back here, so.
Is this the street?
No, Alex.
Hold on. I forgot something.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Don't do what? I'm driving. God. You told me to find the road. I'm trying to find the road. Oh, I found it.
Alex! Alex!
I found the road, okay? It's right here.
Making me sweat.
Hot in here. What do you expect? Hold on, I'll give you an extra door.
No! Come on!
We're coming right back.
Okay. All right, let me out.
Okay.
Now I'm
Fun
gonna
while
kill
it
you.
lasted.
I can't see it out that mirror.
Don't go too far.
I thought I already did.
Keep going. Keep going. Watch out for trees and stuff. Keep
Can I
going.
go back further?
Yes.
Okay.
There's nothing back there. Alright.
Okay.
Brake all the way down. Keep it pressed to the floor. Feel it moving?
No, I don't think so.
Alright. Whatever. Just put it in drive. I'll turn the wheel. You know you don't have to turn it before you put it in the gear, right?
I know. Sometimes it's just easier.
Got it?
Yep.
Oh, I didn't say go too slow either. Turn. Slow, slow, slow. So you can, well, I was going to have you pull it in there. I'll just pull it in there then.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm driving on the head.
All right, what's up, people? This is the next day, but yeah, I'm in the Jeep today. It's still tore apart. Wheels are ordered. Before I forget to tell you, I ordered them last night after I got home. Holy shit. All I have left to order is the front and rear coil springs, and then I can put everything on. Wheels and tires will be on, lift will be on, everything will be on. So, yeah, I'm sitting outside Sally's Beauty Supply. I don't know if y'all know what that is. My girlfriend just went in there to get hair dye. She cut her hair yesterday, and now she's dyeing it again. So we're gonna see what color she does it. I didn't really ask. I don't really know. But there's not gonna be too much, if any, car stuff in this vlog. I'm kind of just doing my thing until all the parts come in. As you can tell, I didn't do my hair today. I typically never do. I just put it in a ponytail, but no, I didn't do it at all. I didn't even fix it. Alright, we're at Second Sally's. Apparently they didn't have what she needed at the first one, so we're here. I forgot to show you my receipt from this morning. It's not exactly good. Come on, focus. Don't focus on me. Focus on the paper. I don't know. My change. Hold on. I got gas, a Red Bull, and look at my change. 666. Well, I just went in, washed the Durango. I'm going to rip the rest of the exhaust off of the Jeep. It's rattling. It's annoying. Guess y'all, I'll update y'all real quick. Just put the exhaust on 2 weeks ago, and it won't even come off. Like, I have to get under there with the Sawzall and completely cut everything. I was trying to salvage the exhaust, so if I ever want to put it back on, but now I can't do anything. I have to cut it off because none of the pipes want to come off that I just put on. It doesn't make any sense. So whatever, I'm just gonna cut it off tomorrow. I already started cutting. I just want to stop so I can, yeah, you can kind of see whatever. Again, I have one blade left. So, I'll break it. Now you want to come off. There we go. Well, let's see if this works. Bastion? Bastion?
Hey, where do you want me to leave these?
Oh, I'm sorry.
I just didn't want to.
Oh, no, you're good. Bastion, take that from him. Sorry about that. I wasn't paying attention. Have a good day. Thank you. Bastion, what? I'm trying to get you to plug the saw back in for me.
Oh. I wasn't here.
Well, I seen that. That was awkward. Huh? What? I said that was awkward. I was like, Bastion? Bastion? No? Nobody? He was like, hey, Amazon.
You go, hey, can you plug the saw for me?
I should have asked him too. eventually I want to put like it come out and then turn. I'm either going to put it turn down or I'm going to have it turn out to right behind the passenger door. So I don't know. We'll figure it out, but I will update you when I do that.
Hi, what can I get for you?
All right, can I get that Travis Scott meal you got? A 6-piece nugget.
Well, the spicy ones are regular.
Oh, you got spicy nuggets?
Yeah.
Oh, let me get 2 6-pieces then. And then
What's
sweet and sour and barbecue. Can I do 1 regular and 1 spicy though?
Yeah.
All right. And that's gonna be it. This is what everybody came here for. Burger's pretty good. It just tastes like a quarter pounder with salty ass bacon. Are we a food vlog now, bro?
Might be.
It's not bad. I was just Subaru from earlier. No, it wasn't. Oh, was it? No.
No.
That's a WRX. I think the one earlier was an STI.
No, I was
that's
an STI.
and the other one was a
Yeah.
WRX. You know what I mean?
But the vlog doesn't.
I only do this for the video, though.
Are they good?
Mm-hmm.
Are they spicy?
They're way better than Wendy's. Wendy's nuggets are asshole. Are ass.
No, the person sounded about right.
To move the camera, look at that shit. That's the Tonka one, I think. I don't think to move the, yeah, that's the Tonka one.
Yeah.
I'm not moving the camera because it was hard to get there. It's a Tonka truck, bright yellow. But,
There's Tonka on it.
yeah. I'm gonna drink the Sprite. What the hell up, kid? Trying to make a video over here. Why is it spicy? I'm okay with that. I'm okay.
You're supposed to cook it yesterday?
Where's your phone?
You're supposed to cook it yesterday or something, and then she was like, nah. The day she went out to Connecticut.
Oh shit, man.
Hello?
Hello?
Hey, what's up?
You Sealy?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. What are you doing?
Nothing. I'm on my iPad.
Why?
Because I'm waiting for your father to get back so I can cook and then go watch TV.
Shouldn't your iPad be on the table?